Hey everyone, Dan Oddy here. Welcome to another episode of Detroit Speed's Tech Talk. Today we're going to talk about our Detroit Speed Intermediate Steering Shaft Kits. Now these kits are available for all Detroit Speed front suspension systems, including the hydroform subframe on the 1967-81 Camaro Firebird, as well as the 68-72 Chevy Nova. Also the 1962-67 Chevy 2 Nova front frame, and the aluminum frame that's available for the 1964.5-70 Mustang. Also we have a kit for the 1978-88 G-Body platform, which includes the Monte Carlo and the Buick Grand National, as well as the 1982-92 Camaro Firebird application. We also have these kits available for the X-Gen front suspension, as well as our Corvette front speed brake kit. Now for all the Detroit Speed front suspension system frames I just mentioned, these kits are mandatory for this installation. Obviously once you convert to a rack and pinion, you need an intermediate shaft kit to connect your steering column to the rack and pinion. Now with most of the OEM or aftermarket columns, they have a certain amount of spline and size, so we do have different options for you as far as the U-joints are concerned. But what you're basically going to get in the kit is a U-joint that'll slide onto the steering column, as well as an intermediate shaft that's a double D 3/4 inch diameter shaft that's 12 inches long. You will need to cut this to length to fit your application. Now at the rack and pinion side, we have a larger U-joint that actually has a vibration damper built into it. Now this is going to reduce vibration and harshness in the steering wheel to give you a nicer feel. Another nice thing with a vibration damper is that anytime you reduce vibration in a system like that, it's going to help the longevity of your steering components. So just like when you're going to update your steering to modern technology with a rack and pinion, you want to do the same with the U-joint kit connecting to your steering column to give you that nice performance steering feel, just like you drove a car off the lot. Now some of the early Camaro Firebirds have stock non-tilt columns in them, and at the end of those columns through the firewall you actually have a tulip flange. So this style U-joint will need some additional parts to mate it up. So that's why I have this kit here. It's actually a rag joint conversion. This piece will bolt onto the tulip flange coming out of your stock column. Then you have your spline piece that slides in there, and then the U-joint will go on there, and the rest of the kit is the same as a tilt column. One of the nice features about our precision U-joints include all the needle bearings are actually staked. That way they can come loose or come out over time. As you can see, they have a set screw with a lock nut, so once you get everything tightened up, you can lock it down so the set screws can't back out. Now one of the options you have is we do offer it in a plain steel finish. Now this is something we'll use in our project shop, so that way we can paint it black and kind of hide it, or maybe accentuate with the color we put in the engine bay. As an upgrade, we also offer it as a polished stainless steel kit if you want to draw a little bit more attention to it for something nicer under the hood. A great thing about this high quality kit is that no serviceability is required. So once you fit it and install it in your vehicle, there's really nothing else you need to do after that as far as maintenance. Now our last kit over here is the one we offer for the 78-88 G-Body and 82-92 Camaro Firebird platforms. Now this will be a direct stock replacement for your rag joint to give you that precision U-joint feel in the steering wheel. As you can see, it's telescoping, so it does move in and out. So how you install it is you install this U-joint up at the steering column, slide this in place, and you just have to shove it up, and that way you can slide it onto the vibration damper that's already been installed in your steering gear. Slide it forward, lock it in place, you have a nice precision kit to replace the stock OEM rag joint. Thanks for watching another episode of Detroit Speed's Tech Talk. If you have any questions about sizing or options for your vehicle, please call our sales and tech department at 704-662-3272 or visit us at DetroitSpeed.com or any of our social media outlets.